What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Caddy again, and as you know from the previous video we said that it's basically ready for some paint. So we already taped it off. All we need to do is give it some benzene to get off all the greasiness and mix up some paint, and then we give it some paint. The base coat came out pretty smooth, and so
everything went well.
Everything went well. I'm just gonna tack cloth it again before I give it some clear coat. But first I'm, as you see, cleaning everything, and then we'll mix up the clear coat and give it some clear coat.
Cool.
Keeping the birds away. So everything came out super smooth. There's a little bit of orange peel, but not too much. I think that's just because the compressor are too small, and it's just like working super hard to get all the air back into it. So you can't put enough air out, and that's actually what's giving us a little bit of orange peel. But further, everything came out super smooth and nice. The base coat came out nice, as we said, and now the clear coat as well. So he's just cleaning the gun, and then I think we'll catch you again in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and the bakkie is, well, it's nice and dry, but we do want to get it into the sun so it can properly bake, because it is cold under the roof. So we are gonna sand the rims and give the rims some paint so we can let them dry a bit, maybe for the night as well, and then tomorrow morning we'll put them in the sun, and then after that we can put them on the bakkie so we can get everything in the sun, and also then we'll continue with the rest of the stuff. So we have to get that painted and get that in the sun so you can get everything back together. So it's actually 2 days later, and yesterday we left the rims in the sun to dry the whole day, so they are nice and dry. And we also taped up the entire bakkie and prepped actually everything for paint. Well, the rest of the stuff like the engine bay we haven't painted yet, as you guys know. So we taped everything up here and also the bakkie, so we can still have to paint the doors. So we're gonna do that now. All we still need to do is wax and grease remove it, and then we can mix up some paint and give it some paint. But before that we still have to wait for the temperature, because it's like,
we also wait yesterday, and today it's all basically now.
It's cold now. Yesterday it was too hot, today
it's too cold.
But
the temperature
but it's gonna go
yeah.
up, so we're just gonna get everything ready, wait for the temperature to go up, and then we'll start painting.
All I wanna
what do you guys think? Does it look good?
I think it does. Super smooth and perfectly painted. Perfect paint job, dude. Perfect. And that is it, guys.
That's it, now it's in the sun. And it can bake and dry. Now we still have to do the other stuff. But
We are basically done,
We're
or
basically
semi, or close to done.
close to
Yeah.
done. So, but anyways, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, right? So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.